Alright everyone, today we are back at the Pefferlaw Road crossing in Pefferlaw. Mile 55.56 on the Pefferlaw subdivision you can see here. So yeah, hopefully today we got something interesting. Hopefully I bet we'll get something interesting today. So yeah, and who knows, we might get a train meet because don't forget, this crossing is by the Pefferlaw siding you can see here. So yeah. And today I'm not alone as usual because CM Railfanning joined along. And he actually drove me today, so thank you so much to him for driving me down there today.
Anything for the Tyler M.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So right now the southbound signal, which was at Old Homestead Road, is red, so I'm not sure if it's default or we got CNQ107 coming. I guess we will have to wait and see which train is going to show up first.
It probably is though, so.
Yeah, because 107 is usually running around this time anyway, so let's say it's late. So yeah. Anyways, I'll pause over now until the first train shows up. And before we begin, please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. I'll pause over now until the first train shows up. I'll see you in a bit. So the first train we caught is CNQ107, going from Brampton to Winnipeg. It was led by 3808, which has an accurate E-bell. And trailing second is 3134. And 107 yesterday has 97 rail cars and 276 axles. And it was going to be meeting with some southbound trains either at Bregan or at Smale. You will see them in a bit. A while later, friendly neighborhood Railfanning and Daniel the train nerd both showed up. And an hour later, along came CNQ104, going from Riverbanks, BC to Brampton. It was led by 8102, a rare SD70ACE, and the engineer gave us a K5LA horn salute. CN only has 4 of them, 8100 to 8103. And trailing second behind that is newer X Series X 2759. And that has 154 rail cars and 424 axles. And it was going to be meeting with Via 1 at Pine Orchard, which will be coming up soon.
CN detector, ALA 60.
Not far behind, along came CN Z100. Going from Winnipeg to Montreal, but it usually stops at Brampton to do some work. It was led by 3109, which me and Gio give us a K5 Gellhorn show. Trailing second is 3270. And trailing third is Nuber XCX 2784. And that has 132 well cars and 386 axles. And just like 104, it was also going to be meeting with FIA 1 at Pine Orchard, which will be coming up soon.
7C total axle 386 speed 49.
A while later, FIA 1 came into view, but however it was in the Pefferlaw siding. It was going to be meeting with a southbound CN train. You will see it in a bit. We will come back to FIA 1 later, but for now, here is CN Q102, the train that is meeting it. Going from Rubberbanks, BC to Brampton. It was led by 2870, and for the rear DPU is 3285. And that has 96 rail cars and 276 axles. And it was going into a separate siding to meet with CN Q101 and Q105, which will be coming up soon.
CN detector ALA 60. No departure 19C, total axle 276, speed 40.
And we have one left good on our side. Have a good trip.
Okay, you have a good trip as well, thanks.
After 102 went by, Via 1 got a go-ahead to leave. So it departed the Pefferlaw siding. So going from Toronto to Vancouver, it was led by 6414, which VNG flashed with ditch lights at us, and gave us a wave. And trailing second is 6458. And that has 21 passenger cars and 92 axles. And if you're enjoying this video so far, then please make sure you give it a really big thumbs up.
temperature 20C, total axle 91, speed 66.
The next train we caught is CNQ101, going from Brampton to Riverbanks, BC. It was led by 3215, which is a 100-year anniversary unit. And the engineer gave us a K5HL horn salute. And trailing second is 2818. And that has 142 rail cars and 424 axles.
1 mile 55, balance up north.
temperature 20C, total axle 424, speed 48.
The next and final train that we caught is CNQ105, going from Montreal to Vancouver. It was led by 3174, which VNGO did a shave in the hair called K5HL horn show. And trailing second behind that is 2936. And that has 154 rail cars and 452 axles.
temperature. 20C. Total axle 452. Speed 54.
Alright everyone, that's gonna be it for this Railfanning video at Pefferlaw today. Like, honestly. Yeah. After CNQ 105 went by, there's nothing else coming.
It's dead.
Yeah, Fabella is basically dead. Normally, yeah. Yeah, normally CN M313 will usually go by here, but unfortunately, he is running late today, so he won't show up until like the evening time, which honestly really sucks. But oh well, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
And we have to suck it up and deal with it.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
This is an outrage.
Yeah. 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 And speaking of which, we also got CN A450 because that's also heading our way. But however, he's still far away and it only has 2 GFOs.
And I've seen that at Zephyr.
Yeah.
I think all of us have seen Givos before, so.
Yeah. So it's no big deal that we don't see 450 today because it only has 2 GFOs. So yeah. So because of that, we are just going to call it a day. So yeah. But all in all, it was definitely a successful trip.
Very successful.
Yeah.
Great.
Successful.
Yeah, I would have to say that 104 was definitely the best train of the day for us.
That's cats of it. And the train meet here, of course.
Yeah, and the train meet as
train meets
well.
always put the cherry on top.
Yeah, so,
Cherry on top.
yeah, so that being said, I really hope you enjoyed our Railfanning trip to Pefferlaw today. And if you enjoyed it, then please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already.
Do it.
That would really help me out a lot. And go subscribe to the following people here, which I will leave their names say their names right now. Anyways, until my next Railfanning video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and that will be it from all of us. And I will hope you all have a wonderful evening.
Hope you all have a great day. Goodbye.
Whoa. And see you in the next Railfanning video. Peace out, folks.
Bye.
And bye now.
See you later.
Hey, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed our trip to Pefferlaw today. If you enjoyed it, then please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already.
Better do that.
Make sure you like and subscribe now.
Yep, and go subscribe to the following people.
CN Railfan.
And me, don't forget. Yeah, if you want to check the mail, I'll leave the links in the description when I have a chance. Anyways, until my next Railfanning video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And that will be it from all of us. See you later, guys.
See ya.
Bye now.
Bye.
Have a great day, folks.
Jump scare!